At Mecwin EV Motors, quality isn't just a process, it's a culture. It begins the moment a product is considered, right from the design phase. Every single item undergoes rigorous incoming inspections to meet our exact standards. As the material moves through the production line, in-process checks at every stage ensure zero compromise on quality. Our automated systems are designed to foolproof every process, eliminating errors and delivering consistent precision. Before any product leaves our facility, it undergoes robust dyno testing under full load conditions because we test for the real, not just to tick the boxes. And finally, our pre-dispatch inspection acts as the final gatekeeper, ensuring only zero defect products reach our customers. At Mecwin, we don't just talk about quality, we live it. Every department, every employee is aligned with a single mission to deliver excellence. Because at Mecwin, quality is not an option, it's our non-negotiable, and we are not stopping there. We are reinforcing our commitment to global standards and continuous improvement. Mecwin EV Motors, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We are building a future where every product reflects our promise of reliability, performance, and trust. Because at Mecwin, quality drives us forward.